It's Thursday, January 25th, 2024. But even if you're watching this on February 1st, February 15th, or even later, there are two things that you need to check before you file your tax return this year. While you're here, please like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel so that you're notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching. Number one, the IRS is not accepting e-file returns, or paper returns for that matter, until January 29th. So even if your preparer or your self-prep software lets you press the file button on your return, it has not been filed and it cannot be sent to the IRS until January 29th. The software will hold it until the IRS opens and then the file will be sent. Second, Congress is currently trying to push a tax bill through, and it includes changes that are retroactive and apply to the 2023 tax return. Yes, that's the one you're currently preparing and filing. If you have children who qualify for the child tax credit, you might not want to file until you find out if this bill has been signed into law or that it isn't going to be, and whether or not your software has been updated to take those changes into account if it has been signed into law. Also, if you have a business and you purchased equipment and you are planning to take bonus depreciation on that equipment, you're going to want to first make sure that this bill is either dead and not happening, or that it's already been signed into law, and that the software that you're using has been updated to take this change into account if it has been signed into law. There are other provisions in this bill, but these are the two that are most likely to affect your situation on your 2023 tax return. If you file before the bill is signed or before your software is updated, you may have to amend your return to take advantage of these changes related to these two provisions. As I mentioned, if the bill passes, it does apply to the 2023 tax return, which is the one you are currently preparing and filing. The bill is being called the Tax Relief for American Families and Workers Act of 2024. I will post a link below to the Congress.gov website where you can check the status of the bill. I will also put a link to a Thomson Reuters article that has a good summary of the bill as is. Now, this article could get outdated if any changes are made to the bill. If this bill isn't signed into law soon and you're due a refund, it might be best to go ahead and file your return. As I mentioned, you should be able to amend your return later to take advantage of these changes if the bill does later become law. As for the child tax credit, perhaps even the IRS will make that adjustment on their own without the need to file an amended return, which is what they did a couple of years ago when Congress, in the middle of tax season, passed a bill that exempted unemployment benefits from being taxable. And as always, please consult with a tax professional to get specific advice to your situation so that you know the best options available to you and you can make an informed decision on how to move forward. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others, and thanks for watching.